As technology evolves, so does the way we plan for the future. But what role will artificial intelligence play in estate planning, and what does it mean for you and your family? I'm attorney Anna Burr, and today we're diving into how artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping the world of estate planning and why it matters now more than ever. AI is already streamlining parts of the estate planning process. From digital will templates to chat-based legal assistance, it's making basic documents more accessible and affordable. But here's the catch. Estate planning is deeply personal. While AI can help with efficiency, it can't replace professional judgment or understand the emotional or family dynamics that impact the decisions about your family legacy. We're also seeing new types of assets emerge, like digital currencies, online accounts, and intellectual property. Managing and passing down these digital assets requires thoughtful planning, and in many cases, tools that are still evolving. Looking ahead, AI could help flag inconsistencies in your documents, track changes in laws, or send reminders to review your plan after major life events. That's powerful, but it still needs human oversight to ensure your plan aligns with your unique wishes. Most importantly, AI won't sit down with your family when something goes wrong. It can't mediate family conflict or guide your loved ones through probate. That's why personal relationships with legal professionals remain critical. So what does this mean for you? Embrace the helpful side of technology, but don't rely on it to do all the work. A well-crafted, personalized estate plan still needs a human touch. If you want to future-proof your plan and make sure it accounts for both traditional and digital assets, we're here to help. Let's work together to protect what you've built for the people you love the most. Thank you, as always, for watching. If you found this helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. And for more insights and planning smarter for the future, see us again next time. Thank you.